In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add custom fonts to your WordPress site using Elementor. This is a simple way to give your website a unique look and make your design stand out. First, make sure you have your font downloaded. TTF files work best to start with. Then, log into your WordPress dashboard and go to Elementor, Custom Fonts. Click Add New, give your font a name, and select Add Static Font. You can upload your TTF file here, but to make sure your font works across all browsers, you'll also need to convert it to other formats like WAF, WAF2, EOT, and SVG. There are several online tools for this, and one easy option is Cloud Convert. Just upload your TTF font, convert it, and download the other formats. Once you have all your font files, go back to Elementor and upload each one into its corresponding field. After everything is uploaded, click Publish to save your new font. And that's it! Your custom font is now ready to use in Elementor, so you can apply it anywhere on your site and make your pages look exactly how you want. And that's how you add custom fonts to WordPress with Elementor. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.